Okay, so most of you on Wednesday went through your multiplication quick checks and you quickly found that we relied very heavily just on the standard algorithm of multiplication. So as a result, partial products really didn't make any sense when you had those questions. So I just want to review that really quick, and then we'll also do a quick review of how we do it in what I call the standard way or the standard algorithm. So partial products, that would be if we had, for example, 52 times 13. For partial products, we would basically take each part of the number and multiply it by the other parts. So let's start with the 2. I'm going to change my color here. So first we would start with 2, and we would say, what's 2 times 3? 2 times 3 equals 6. And then what's 2 times 10? 2 times 10 equals 20. Then we would look at the 5, and we would do the same thing, but remember this is 50. So 50 times 3, that was an awful 3, and then 50 times 10, which equals 500. Then you take these and you add them together. So I'm just going to go back to black and stack these nice and neat so that they're lined up by place value so that I can add them. 6, 7, 6. So the product is 676. So now if I go over here to standard algorithm and use the same equation, 52 times 13, we're used to stacking it vertically, right? And so we will start with the 3. Gosh, I keep going there for color. So 3 times 2 is 6. We don't have to carry anything. 3 times 5 is 15. Since that's the last place value here on the left side, we can just drop everything down below. Now, don't forget, when we go to the 1 to multiply, we need to add a 0. This is our placeholder 0. It's what lets us know that this is a 10, right? So now we would do 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. And we would add these together. And again, we get 676. I hope that helps.